Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm beyond stoked because I finally got my E46 M3. Let's go check it out.
It has some black kidney grills, and then we're looking at some front CSL carbon fiber splitters, some BBS wheels, and some drilled brake rotors. On the front, the tires are 245 40 18, much smaller brake rotors in the rear. The rear tires are around 275 35 18. Sleek top. Previous owner deleted the sunroof, but hopefully I'll be changing it to a carbon fiber roof. Lightweight. On the rear, it has this carbon fiber duck-built spoiler, but it's pretty horrible right now. But I'm not worried about it. I'm going to be changing it out in the future. Probably change the entire trunk. And then over here we got the CSL replica carbon fiber diffuser. Here she is. BMW's most legendary engine, the S54 inline 6. In the engine bay, it's pretty stock. Nothing much done to it. You can see the stock air box right here. Fuse box kind of open. I took it apart. Yeah, that's it. I got an aftermarket strut bar right over here, and some Coney adjustable coilovers on both sides. These wirings lead up to the aftermarket angel lights. Let's move on to the interior now. The interior is pretty clean considering the age of the car. We got the BMW M seats over here. Yes, these are the power seats, but I'll be swapping them out in the future. The interior looks pretty stock, nothing much done to it. The headliner seems pretty good. It's in pretty decent condition. And yes, this is the SMG transmission, but I'll be swapping it out to 6-speed manual pretty soon. Part of the reason I got this car is it barely has 93,000 miles, and it's pretty clean. The upgrades the previous owner has done to it, and this car was an absolute steal. And yeah guys, this is it. I'll be ending the video right here. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked the video, it really helps. And make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to follow along the build. There's tons of mods coming up in the future. And yeah, until next time. If you rich, put your bust down in the air.